Ain't that Camaro? Damn.
Camaro would have beat him straight up.
That Camaro would have. Damn, he didn't win it by one. God. Okay. Y'all think he finna come up here and make a full pass? Oh, that's him with that drip drop. He got a drip drop, y'all. Damn sure don't need to be on that rev limiter like that. Let's see if that's him with the drip drop, y'all. Let me see. Is that you with the drip drop? Oh, yep, that is you. That's you, buddy. You got a drip, drippity, droppity. You got a drip, drip, drip. Drip, 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 drip. What is it though? It's something, but it ain't. Oh, it's fuel. Keep leaking fuel. It's just fuel. I checked it. Shut him down, Boomer Jack. Hey man, you thirsty? Man, we got drinks right here. Hey miss, he say he's thirsty. Look out, y'all thirsty. Y'all thirsty? We got drinks right here. I'm just letting you know, I'm trying to be looking out. Got a drink for you. I'm trying to look at one time for the one time. Okay. We got Mad Cow in the building, y'all. He just sent me $50. Trying to see if anybody else want to follow the trend, because he know I'm a user. I could really use that. I sure appreciate go get my car and do what with it. I'm waiting on them to make a shakedown or see who I'm gonna let ride in. I don't know who I'm gonna let ride in it yet. Yeah, that's a Cut Supreme back there. Somebody got some cheap tires or something. That rubber stink. We got Callie in the house, y'all. And Infinity's out today. I can't believe that he gripping that hard on the street tire. Okay, he ain't gonna catch me. Left lane with the easy win, y'all. Let's see what we got right here, y'all. Look out. Y'all think he finna make a full pass or what? I did good against that Monte Carlo. Appreciate it. TJ Strickland just came from TikTok. Anybody come over from TikTok, y'all let me know, so I can give you a shout out on my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get some more subscribers if you don't mind. If you don't mind. I got it live right now, HD. Y'all can check it out. Uh-oh, he got nitrous, y'all. He got nitrous. them too? Oh, he licking all. He had to go get a different mop. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, he said that's all. Damn. Oh, we got Bobby Trevizu. We got Bobby Trevizu just came. I kind of like that name, Trevizu. It remind me of Evizu. Y'all remember Evizu jeans? Trevizu, do you remember Evizu? You probably need to. I would have, man, boy, I would have had your name. I would have been repping. It's that boy Trevizu. Pull up, rocking designer clothes like Evizu. Used to play Pokemon, now I'm liking Pikachu. Okay, we got Jose Condarco from Illinois. Okay, we got Condarco coming from Illinois, y'all. Condarco. Let me see some. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's that boy Trevizu pulling up in the isuzu. Nah, man, I don't like that one. Trevizu, he probably. Trevizu, if I was to guess what kind of car you had, man, I think you had an Infinity too. Trevizu, you got an Infinity? That's the kind of car I think you got. We got Chevy Dash Kid, just came from TikTok. What's up with it? Chevy slash Kid just came through. Okay. Yeah. Got this blue vet. Oh, this old Marcus, y'all. La verga. Okay, la verga.
Hey, my car's still fucked up, so if I lose.
Oh, it's still fucked up.
Nah, I'm gonna fix it.
It's gonna fucking win.
Two brand new axles.
Okay. Jeff Schaefer just came over from TikTok. What's up with it? Appreciate that, Jeff Schaefer. I got a supercharged Caprice back there. I'm finna go pick it up in a minute, man. Trevizu, oh, you will never find a Trevizu spelled like mine. Only fam. Trevizu, yeah. Oh, we got Katie Kirkwood just came from TikTok.
340-20, I'll take the bet.
Hey, y'all, we got Katie Kirkwood just came over here, y'all. Hey, Katie, where you from, Katie?